I see the chair, and it seems that the chair exists as a chair, but this basically or finally this chair exists as an appearance within my consciousness.
No, absolutely not.
Okay,
No,
so
that's still locked into the story of individualism.
Okay.
That comes out of the story of being separate.
Okay, so what is the right view?
Oh, there isn't one. We're not. There's nothing that's right or wrong here.
Yes.
You know, let's be clear about that. There's nothing that's right or wrong.
Yes.
There's a reality that sees that everything that's arising is arising in what you might call consciousness or awareness.
Yeah.
Right. Well, that is a dream. That is the world of separation. When that reality is no more, when the dreamer or the one that's aware is no more, there just is everything, and that is indescribable.
Okay.
So nothing exists or doesn't exist because of anything else.
Okay.
There just is what there is.
Okay.
So the metaphor of the world we live in,
Yes.
and it's only a metaphor, it's only an appearance, includes the Ice Age, where there was no one, for instance. How could there be an Ice Age with no one if everything only arises in someone's awareness?
So
It's a metaphor.
yes. Okay.
It's a metaphor for saying that beingness is everything and can appear as anything. It doesn't need us around for it to be here. Being doesn't need anything for it to be. That's the metaphor. It's a huge concept. I mean, it's such a huge, boundless understanding or comprehension that being doesn't need anything for it to be. It just is.
Just is. But in this being, I don't get this point. In this being, there seems to be colors.
Yeah.
There seems to be forms.
There's everything.
There's everything. Okay, so everything which is.
Everything.
Pretty much that, yeah.
Oh, and when I say everything, I really, really mean it.
Yeah. So it includes all
being
my
is nothing, being everything.
Okay. Okay, so
And therefore, if it's everything, it needs nothing, because it's everything.
I can understand. I think I can understand that. I thought that this was exactly the same thing what I wanted to point out before,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
only in different words.
Yeah, sure.
Only in different words.
Yeah.
So yes. So my question.